Hey guys, Gary from DIY Electronics. Today we embark on a new Ademco product. It's a Ademco Lynx panel. It's just a little rectangular, all-in-one panel that goes up on the wall. It's got everything built right into it. The battery, keypad, control panel, siren, communicator, everything is built right into this little rectangular box. It's right there on your wall in the house. ADT took this panel and rebranded it and rounded the corners of it, okay? And then they call it the ADT Quick Connect. But in essence, all it is a rebranded, reshaped Ademco Lynx. So for you Lynx customers and you ADT Quick Connect customers, this tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you first how to take control of your system. Don't mind that beeping. It's a low battery on that panel. First, I'm going to show you how to take control of that panel, just like I showed you on the Safewatch 3000. You first go in, and we're going to grab the installer code out of it, and we can also change the installer code if you like. You don't have to. We can grab the installer code, but we can also change it. And then the other thing we're going to do is once we get out of program, we're going to set the clock, and then we're going to change the master code to 1234 or whatever 4 digits that you would like. All right. So right now I don't know what the installer code is, and I don't know what the master code is, and we're going to get in there and extract that information and make the panel yours. It will no longer be, a hostage. You're not being held hostage by that alarm panel because now you own it. All right. So now let me get up. I'm going to take and finagle this camera around to get it right in front of the Ademco Lynx, and we're going to start the process of extracting information from it. Give it to me. All right, guys. Let's get going here. Now bear with me while I mess around with this camera. I want to get you guys right up there, nice and close. Well, I don't want you too close first, because I want to show you how to power this thing down. Because that's what you got. That's the first step of getting the information out of this. Is you got to completely power it down and then repower it. Okay. So, Ademco Lynx. These are my subscribers. Now that you're introduced, let's get into the guts of this thing. So the first thing you need to do is to power it down. All right. Right on top, there's a little tiny slot right here. All right. Put your screwdriver in and pull forward slightly. Okay. And then there's one over here, and just pull forward. Put the screwdriver in and pull forward, and you'll feel it let go. And then you just open the panel up, but don't let it drop. And then here's your battery. Okay, just follow the leads down, and you go, oh, it's plugged in right there. You just simply unplug it, and then put the door back on your control panel. All right? You can just click it on one side, just so it holds up there. Now what you got to do is you've got to find the white transformer that's plugged into the wall. And I can almost guarantee every one of you ADT customers, just look at your feet, because that's where your transformer is plugged into the wall. Don't ask me how I know why or anything like that, but trust me, look at your feet. That's where your transformer is. If it's not there, it could be somewhere else in the house. Mine is right over here out back. I'm going to unplug it and show it to you. All right. Oh. This is what you're looking for. You're looking for this battery right here. Not battery, I'm sorry. Transformer. Okay? That's what you're looking for. So once you get it unplugged, wait about 15 seconds or so, and then plug this back in. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to plug it back into the wall. And now a DL will show up on the display. Okay? So now what you want to do is I want to get you even closer, because I want you to watch every step of this. When you see the DL, press the star and pound at the same time. A number 20 will show up. Now I want you to hit pound 20 and read the numbers that show up in the display. That is the installer code. So you hit pound 20. 4 1 1 2. So the installer code for this panel right now is 4112. I'm going to change it to 4321. How you do that is you hit star 20 and then the 4 new numbers you want to use. 4 3 2 1. It goes beep 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 and that'll change to 21. So again, when you hit star and pound when you first power it up, it throws you in the program and you see 20. If you want to know what your installer code is at that point in time, you hit pound 20. You read the number, and if that's fine with you, just leave it alone. Or you can change it by hitting star 20 and the 4 new numbers. Okay? So once you're done and you're sitting at 21, hit star 99. Okay? Bang. You're out of program. So now you know what your installer code is. Mine is 4321. Yours is whatever you've seen on the screen. Okay? But mine right now is 4321. The next thing we got to do is set the time and date. And how you do that is you hit your installer code 4321 and then you hit pound 63. And this panel will walk you through exactly what to hit on here, okay? So let me do it. I'm going to go 4321 pound 63.
Enter 2-digit hour. Press add to accept. Escape to quit.
So here's your add, which is right below where it says away, and there's your escape is the off. So she asked me to put in the 2-digit hour. I'm just going to say it's 12 o'clock. Add.
Enter 1 for PM, 0 for AM.
Okay.
Press add to accept. Escape to quit.
I'll hit 1 for AM.
Enter 2-digit minutes. Press add to accept. Escape to quit.
I'll say it's 1212.
Enter 2-digit month. Press add to accept. Escape to quit.
It's January.
Enter 2-digit day. Press add to accept. Escape to quit.
It's the 18th. Oops, I forgot to hit away.
Enter 2-digit year. Press add to accept. Escape to quit.
24. Okay, as soon as you put in the year, it automatically kicks you out of the program, and now your time is set, and I set mine for 12:12. Now, the next thing is if you do not know what your master code is, here's a good time to change it. I don't know what the master code is on this thing, so I'm going to make the master code 1234. Since I have excuse me, since I have the installer code, I have the power to do that. I can override anything on this thing now and change that master code to 1234 by the following procedure. You punch in the installer code, then you hit the number 8, then 02, and then the 4 new numbers you want to use. I'm going to use 1234. So again, installer code 802 1234. Beep, that means that it took it. Okay? So I can go 1234, stay.
Armed. Stay. Exit now.
1234, off.
Disarmed. Ready to arm.
Okay? And that is how you grab the master code out of the system. Well, actually you didn't get the master code, you just changed it. You don't know what it was, but it is now 1234. Alright guys, so let me just get you back down here so I can talk to you. Ooh. Hey, stop that. Oh, and guys, don't forget to plug your battery back in. That's one step I forgot to tell you to do. Plug your battery back in. Okay, so guys, what we did was we opened it up, took out the battery, powered down, the transformer, powered it back up with the transformer, hit the star and pound at the same time, and then if you want to find out what the installer code is, you hit pound 20 and read the display. If you want to change the installer code while you're in there, you hit *20 and the 4 digits you want to use as your new personal installer code. And then you get out of program, and then you use the installer code #63, and the panel walks you right through on how to set the time and date. Then to change your master code, you simply hit your installer code, and then hit the number 802 and the 4 numbers that you want to use. All right? So guys, it can't be easier than that to get the installer code over that. Just watch this video and then stop me, step by step, and you'll be able to take control of your alarm system. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. There's going to be a long series of things I'm going to do with this Ademco Lynx, aka the ADT Quick Connect. I'm going to add contacts, delete contacts, add smoke detectors, add keyfobs, all kinds of other stuff, carbon monoxide detectors. And if there's anything, if there's an ADT customer out there or a Lynx customer out there that wants something, if they just don't want to wait for suddenly it to show up that I did it, just leave me a comment down below, and I'll push that to the front just so I can help you out. All right, questions, comments, leave down below. Ring the bell, thumbs up, subscribe. It's all about you guys. I want to help you out. Thanks for watching.